Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. We have been providing you with regular updates of the Idaho 4 defamation case, as we have referred to it. It is a federal lawsuit. This is a civil lawsuit for money damages. It's not a criminal case. And it was brought by the plaintiff, Rebecca Scofield, back on December 21st, 2022, against the defendant, Ashley Guillard. And the allegations in the federal complaint allege that the defendant defamed the plaintiff by publishing statements, for example, that she had been involved in the catastrophic events that occurred at 1122 King Road. That was count one. Count two alleged that she was involved in a romantic relationship with a student. Liability has been found in favor of plaintiff, and that's document number 74 on the court docket if you would like to review it. Ms. Guillard has been representing herself pro se from the very beginning of the case, and she was very motivated. She filed documents on time, both those that were responding to the plaintiff's documentation and also documents of her own. She sought to add counterclaims. She's filed motion-seeking applications for a court order. All of that stopped. However, beginning September 23rd, 2025, that is the last known filing. It's filing number 104, and it's a reply to a response to her motion to exclude two expert witnesses that the plaintiff was intending to call at trial. This trial is about damages, whether damages should be awarded to the plaintiff, whether they should not be awarded, and the damages that she's looking for are both compensatory. These are the type of damages to make one whole if they've suffered injuries. She's looking for reimbursement of attorney's fees. She's also looking for what's called punitive damages, which could really escalate what the jury might return if and only if the jury does find in favor of the plaintiff. September 23rd, last time that Ms. Guillard was heard from. Since that time, there have been multiple items that have been due. Pretrial matters, witness lists, exhibit lists, proposed jury instructions, verdict forms, proposed voir dire items that the plaintiff has filed. She has filed nothing opposing any of these things. She has also not filed her own witness list, exhibit list, proposed jury instructions, and the like. The deadlines have come and gone on all of these matters. Then on October 13th, the plaintiff filed a motion in limine. It's a pretrial motion seeking to have the defendant enjoined, prevented from arguing certain things at trial, as they have to do with matters that were resolved on partial summary judgment. There has been no response from Ms. Guillard as to that in limine filing. The deadline came and went November 3rd, 2025. And the rhetorical question has to be asked at this point. Speculation, commentary, nothing beyond that. Has defendant abandoned this case? Will she appear at trial? Will she file anything? A lot of times courts give leeway to pro se plaintiffs who are not represented by counsel to a certain extent. Could this be a strategy for appeal? We can only wait and see. And if and when anything further is filed in this case, as it is speeding toward trial in February, we will, of course, advise you. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you very much for joining us here today.